Hello, my name is Keshwani. That's Keshwani, Keshwani. I have been solving math problems for GRE out of this book here, practicing to take the GRE General Test, the 10th edition. If you do not own this book already, purchase one immediately. The problem that I'm about to solve is the one that you're going to find on page number 341, quantitative comparison question, number 9. Number 9. Let's take a look at it. They give you a little picture here. Oh boy, I do not like the look of it. Voila. All fixed up. A little surgery did no harm to anybody. There you go. The question simply is, they want you to compare quantity x plus y versus 120. Well, let's take a look at x's first. You see, this is x, and this is x. Since they are all x's, that tells us that all of these angles are same. All of these angles are equal. And we know that sum of the angles in a triangle, sum of the angle, SUM, sum of the angles in a triangle is 380. Therefore, this x plus this x plus this x, 3x, would have to equal 180. And therefore, 1x equals 60. This symbol means, for those of you who do not know, it means therefore. I don't know if you can read my writing. Therefore, that's an E. Oh, gee. Therefore. So 3x equals 180, therefore 1x equals 60. Now let's take a look at the y's. This y plus this y plus this y, there are 4 y's, and they have to equal 360. And how do we know that? Because it's a quadrilateral. The sum of the angle, again, SUM, sum of all the angles in a quadrilateral. What's a quadrilateral? That's a mouthful. I'm studying it out, even though I do not know how to finish it. It's a quadrilateral. Quadrilateral means four-sided picture. So here's your quadrilateral. There's your quadrilateral. And how much is the sum of the angle in a quadrilateral? Sum, SUM, sum. How much is the sum of the angles in a quadrilateral? Before you can answer that question, you have to realize what a quadrilateral is. A quadrilateral, a four-sided picture, is nothing more than a union of two triangles. Here we go. You see? It's a union of two triangles, either this way or that way. It's a union of two triangles, and we know that sum of the angles in a triangle is since we know the sum of the angles in a triangle is 180, therefore this angle plus this angle plus this angle, let's call them A, B, C. A plus B plus C has to equal 180. And since this is triangle, A, B, C, D. In this triangle, A, B, C, let's call them X, Y, and Z. Here, X plus Y plus Z has to equal 180. Therefore, the sum of all the angles in this quadrilateral, sum of all the angles in this particular quadrilateral will be angle A, Z, B, C, X, and Y. They all have to add up to 360 because you have 180 on the top triangle and 180 on the bottom triangle, 360. And there are 4 of them, 1, 2, 3, 4, and they equal 360. Therefore, 1 would equal 90, which is just as well because as it is drawn, you can see it looks like a 90-degree angle. So x equals 60, or y equals 90. 60 plus 90 is 150, and 150 has to be more than 120. Et voila, the answer is A. That's it, we are done. The answer is A. Because 60 plus 90 is 150, and on the other side we have 120, and of course 120 is less than 150. Therefore, the quantity in column A is bigger. That's all. That's it. We are done. That's all there was. Pretty straightforward, simple problems. 72% of people who took the exam had no trouble whatsoever with it. Only 28% have missed it. I hope you found it helpful. If you wish to get hold of me for personal private tutoring, face-to-face tutoring, or tutoring over the internet, I tutor over the internet via Skype, and I also tutor over the telephone. If there is anything at all that I can do to help you with your preparation in GRE, preparation for GRE rather, go to my website at www.prep.gre.com and send me an email. Or you can go to www.KeshwaniPrep.com and send me an email. Alright? Thank you.